So here's how to fix a public profile not showing on Snapchat. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your Snapchat, click on your profile icon on top left corner, and here make sure you have set your age to 18. Just click on the setting icon on top right corner, click on birthday, and here set your age to 18. Also make sure to add some information to your profile like bio and name and some stories. Make sure to post at least one story to your profile. Now after that, moving on to method number 2, click on this setting icon and scroll down until you find this option clear cache under account sections. Click on clear cache, click on continue, clear the cache, and after that update your Snapchat app via Play Store or App Store to its latest version. Now after that, again click on settings and under privacy control click on contact me, and here set it to friends and contacts. Now go back and click on view my story and set it to everyone. If you can't see the option everyone, just set it to friends only. Now after that, click on see me in find friends and enable this option. Alright, now moving on to method number 3, again click on the setting icon, scroll down, and under support and feedback click on help center. Now on top right corner click on these 3 lines and select privacy. Now after selecting privacy, click on the search bar and type, alright, wait a minute. And type public profile. Okay, click on what is a public profile on Snapchat. Okay, now scroll down and just click on was this article helpful? Select no, and here just select your problem and click on submit. After that, Snapchat will contact you via mail. Just tell them all your problem and they will provide you the solution. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.